Come here, Mr. Oogie. You want to be famous? You're like, hi, my name is Louie. And part mutt, part raccoon. Ooh. Ooh. This is so cute to me. Like, this is like my crown. Angle.
Each one like 20 minutes of it.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome. My name is Symphony and I am here with a hair video for you guys today. Y'all, this video is a quick, cute, and affordable hairstyle video that I want to share with y'all. Okay, so boom, we will get straight into it. So I'm starting off with partially blow dried hair. And right now I'm just putting some moisturizer in it because it is dry and I've been wearing my hair in this style for a few days now. So I need some moisture. So as you saw, I was using the Cream of Nature whipped honey, I believe, moisturizer. It was something my boyfriend had on the counter. I'm just using it, put it all through my hair, and make sure you put it on your ends because, you know, them ends be dry and we don't want those to break. Now, next I'm going to go in with some Eco Gel. After I moisturize my hair, I'm going to go in with the Eco Gel. And I like using Eco Gel because Eco Gel is very wet. And so instead of like putting water in my hair every day, you know, to lay it, I just use Eco Gel because, you know, water makes your hair revert and I don't want to put that in my hair every day. And so Eco Gel gets it wet enough to where, you know, it lays well and my hair just doesn't revert as quickly. So yeah. So I'm just gonna slather up a little bit in my hand and just rub it all in the front, trying to show y'all the curls popping a little bit, but they ain't popping that much, sorry. But yeah, just put all in the front and in the back and I'm gonna pull it up and then, you know, take my brush and brush out them naps in my kitchen because, you know, we can't have that showing. You know, I left a few naps back there, but, you know, just ignore that. Okay. But yeah, you don't want your naps showing, so make sure you get that kitchen good. And then I'm just going to brush the front, pull it on up, get it looking nice and neat. Um, I'm not really a baby hair person. You know, I'm trying to, like, get my edges to prosper and grow out and, you know, be the best that they can be because they're not it right now. You know, not it like I need them to be. So I don't really do the baby hairs too much. So I'm just gonna pull it straight back. No baby hairs for me. But if y'all like baby hairs, please do baby hairs. But you know, I gotta work on these edges. So yeah, we're just gonna pull it up in a high bun on the top crown of my head. I'm not gonna tuck my ends all the way because I'm not gonna be bothered with that. It's no point. And then next, after you get it all neat and tucked, take your satin scarf and just wrap it. I wrap it in the front and I wrap it in the back. So the front and back will lay. And I'm going to leave that on for maybe 20 minutes and I'll be back. And I'm back. Okay, so it's sat for a while. We're going to take it off. This is the hair that I'm using. I got this from the beauty supply store. It was only $10. Cute curly ponytail. Love it. Affordable. Quick. Easy. That's what we like. And cute. That is what we're going for. So this is the hair. Just going to show y'all what it looks like. It's very curly, you know, nice cute coils, bouncy. The hair feels great. This ponytail lasts a long time too, y'all. It has 2 clips in it, one on the top, one in the bottom. You know, and it's just nice. So to make it look more natural, I am going to pick it out some. I wanted to fluff out and kind of, you know, be a little more afro-ish so it can, you know, blend with my hair a little better. So I'm just taking a pick and I'm just kind of combing it out, giving those, you know, coils to separate a little bit and fluff out some. So just take a few minutes and just let that happen. As you can see, I'm kind of like, oh, what's going on? But yeah, it's gonna be cute though. And sorry if I keep moving it out the frame. I was just focused on getting that hair picked out. But I'm done now. So now we just take your scarves off. Ooh, look at that hair. Late. Ooh, all right. Okay. All right, now we're gonna put a hairnet on your hair. See, that's the reason I didn't need to tuck my ends. I was gonna put the hairnet on, so that's perfectly fine. Protect your hair. And so then we're just gonna start with the first clip in on the front, as you see, and the second clip in on the back. Once you get those clips attached, you're just gonna find the drawstring and just pull it as tight as it can go. Get that ponytail very secure. Pull it as tight as it can go, and just wrap it around. And I'm gonna secure it with a bobby pin. So once I got that on there nice, I'm going to take a few pieces of hair and just wrap it around to hide the string and just kind of make it look more natural and blend better. And then I'm going to secure that with a bobby pin. Also, secure the whole thing with a few bobby pins. All right. And so, yeah, it's on there basically. So now I'm just kind of like fluffing out the hair some more because it wasn't as fluffy as I wanted it, you know, and as big as I wanted it. So, yeah, just take your pick. I'm doing it with my hands right now, but you can take your pick or your hands and just keep fluffing. There we go. Just fluff it out. Get it big. We like big hair. And yes, that is pretty much it. Give y'all a little close up of what it looks like. Okay. Okay. Serve a little face. All right. Yes. You know, I'm feeling real cute right now. I like this hair. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, y'all. I hope you like it and enjoy. Look at that hair. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below. Subscribe to my channel because I am new here and I need, you know, some people to watch so I can put out more content for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and all that good stuff and TikTok, all right? Period, boo. I'm out. Oh, it's recording. Okay. I didn't get to show y'all my headband because it's cute. Let me show you. All gold, how I like it, gold out. You know what I mean? Look how cute. And it's like a little rope chain headband. So you know I gotta pop this on real quick for the video, just so y'all can see. Ooh. Ooh. This is so cute to me. Like, this is like my crown.